Hey everyone, behind me is a shit box. This is my new 1990 Nissan 240SX. Got it as a drift build. It's pretty solid as is. We got some pretty cool plans and ideas for her. It's pretty much just a stock single cam KA, some bolt-ons, intake, header, pretty much straight piped exhaust, which we're getting rid of. Yeah, and Kibby and I are going to be going out drifting. You'll see his car and probably my car drifting in video way before this one. But anyways, we're both prepping our cars, and I've got a shit ton of prep to do. So I'm going to be doing pretty much all full maintenance update on the car.
Well, really, we're drifting tomorrow, and it's like 10:30 right now, and this is the first time we've ever touched the car.
So it's 10.
We're staying up really late tonight.
So it's 10:30.
I spent all day getting mine prepped.
Literally been all day. Literally all day.
Literally all day. It's not my fault.
It's been on the.
His car's diff. Came with a welded diff. This thing's ready to go. It's got a wheel. It's sick. It's a 240, so you know it's just like already, you know.
It just wants to go sideways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's sick. Mine was the stock, totaled salvage title 370Z, so a little more difficult to get ready, but we're here. We're getting there. We're almost done. So we're gonna get to work and vlog. Montage.
Yeah. Alright everyone, so we are about to do some stuff to the 240. I wasn't able to make it out to the drift event that Kibby went to because we spent all the time working on his piece of shit, so he couldn't work on mine.
Like my was like totaled, so it took a little more effort, it was a little more time consuming.
And the previous owner of this car actually also did something that was like unnecessary. So I was having an issue with like brakes. They weren't working, and I replaced all 4 calipers on the car, bled the brakes, still the same thing. I looked under the hood and noticed that the vacuum line to the brake booster was like going down somewhere to nothing. So I picked it up and saw how it should have been orientated, and it should have been going to the intake manifold, which he had a little plug in. So I undid that, put the vacuum line back on, and now we have brakes. But that was that was a fly. That wasn't even a wasp.
Dude, I don't know.
Oh my god.
This man's over here. We had a wasp in here. He was chilling in here. I thought man came back for me, but all right. what's up?
So, anyways, that got fixed, and now I have new calipers, which is cool because I'm swapping them fucking out anyways, which is great. But today we have got some stuff here from LRB Speed. We've got door cards, center console cover thingy, and the receipt delete. So I'm going to be yeeting almost all the interior out of the car, except for the seats and the dash. Those are gonna happen at a different time. But everything else is coming out. I'm gonna get rid of pretty much all of the carpet. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it behind the front seats, and then whenever the front seats do come out, whenever I get the new seats in, I'll just yank the rest of it out. I'm gonna be spraying some sound deadening, anti-rust paint stuff on everything. It doesn't need to look pretty. Like it'll look fine. It'll look black. It'll be matte black. That's great with the Alcantara that's gonna be in there. And then we'll start laying down the door cards and receipt delete. So montage.
from?
These are Origin 50mm wider rear over fenders. And I had originally ordered the front ones, but Origin's completely out of like apparently every single front over fender that they make right now. So, stupid freaking COVID. Oh boy.
You're gonna fit with the wing on there?
Huh?
You're gonna fit with the wing on there?
I have to just take the wing off and put it back on after this is on.
It's pretty wide.
Pretty wide! That's gonna be beautiful. Now to take the wing back off
There's a little comparison. So without the 50mm over fenders, you know, not bad. Let me go over to this side.
Damn, what is she there? It's a little wider.
Just a little bit.
Now I can put the Yankees on. Well, after we cut it.
Yeah.
The thick RPF one, boys.
Pretty good. Yeah.